Hey, I'm Dr. Julie with Revive Chiropractic and Wellness, and today we're going to be showing you how we adjust the low back here at Revive. Now first, we always start with a thorough consult, exam, evaluation so we know exactly what we're adjusting and each person's specific needs. So I'm going to show you a few different ways that we go about adjusting to get really great results here. So what we're going to start with, this table, it has a drop table as a part of it. So what happens is this part comes up, and then as it drops down, I'll have a contact on her low back for a specific corrective adjustment. Very gentle, very easy, but very effective to get those results. So then all it would be is me adjusting just like that. And that's a drop table adjustment. The other tool that we utilize, this we'll use on infants or people older and wiser than us. And this is another effective tool. It gives just a low force, but specific adjustment in the low back. So that would be just like that. Okay, so that's the activator. One of the other tools we use as well, this is called arthrostimulation. So it's another way that we promote healing in the area, work on reconfirming where we adjusted, and also specifically remove those segments for each person. And the beautiful thing, no matter what tools we're using to adjust, we're clearing the interference off the spine, off this part of the low back, so that their body can not only feel better, but truly heal better and get results that last and don't just go back over time. Okay, then the last way we adjust, which is probably what you've seen in classic chiropractic videos, is when they're laying on their side. So I'm gonna have you lay this way, and the table comes up to support her upper body. So lay on your side, face me this way. And she gives herself a hug. And then all this is, so we're specifically finding those areas of interference that are subluxated or misaligned in her low back. And then it's just me coming down like this and adjusting just like that. And that's how we adjust here at Revive Chiropractic. Again, we always meet you where you're at. We walk you through everything so you're comfortable with it, but we're still gonna get amazing changes so you get better, stronger, and healthier.